Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has triggered a stir in the assembly when he invoked an RSS anthem. A 73-second viral video of the clip shows the Deputy Chief Minister singing the RSS anthem Namaste Sada Vatsale Matrubhume in the assembly premises.
नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमि मया हिंदू भूमि सुगम वर्धितोहम महामंगले.
Shivakumar's act drew a loud bench thumping from the BJP MLAs and prompting them to take a swipe at the Congress over its criticism of Prime Minister Modi's mention of RSS in his Independence Day speech. It did create quite a ripple on the political front. Now, on asking if there is a political message behind singing the RSS song in the assembly, D.K. Shivakumar said that he is a born congressman.
I am a born congressman. My blood, my life, everything is there. But I have made a research on non-political parties. I have made a big research on non-political parties. I know how RSS is building institutions in Karnataka. I, being a leader, have made research. They are acquiring every schools in every district, taluk headquarters, investing a lot of money. They are trying to preach children. So as a leader, I should know who are my opponents and who are my friends. So I just try to know about the RSS, the history of RSS. I know them. Politically, we have a lot of differences. That is a different issue. But BJP also should know that I have gone very deep to them.
And my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah is joining me live right now to get us more details. Well, Wajiullah, now each time around, the Congress party wants to attack the government or the RSS principles. The BJP is going to remind the Congress that you have somebody amongst yourself who was once a part of the RSS. So what was the rationale behind D.K. Shivakumar singing the RSS anthem in the assembly?
Well, yes, Samya, this incident or this bit that happened in the Vidhan Sauda happened at a time when he was responding with regards to the RCB stampede that took place after the finals of the IPL. And while talking about this, he was stopped by the opposition over some remark. And that is when R. Ashok responded saying that you had once given a bad remark about RSS. And that is when D.K. Shivakumar spoke about and sang this song of the RSS, which surprised everyone. I got a lot of cheer from the BJP leaders over there who were thumping the desk over there. But then after that, a lot of people started to draw their own conclusion. That is when D.K. Shivakumar also maintained that he is a staunch congressman. The only reason he knows about all of this is because he has to know about his opponents. He needs to know what is the BJP doing, who is the RSS, their ideology, and that is information that every minister has. And right now also when just a few minutes back when he entered the assembly, he was questioned about whether he is giving hints to the BJP that he is interested in the BJP. He clarified that there is nothing like that. He finds good in everything. Even in the RSS, he believes that there is a lot of good in it. There are a lot of good things that they have also done. They've opened schools like we just heard his bite. So that is why he also knows about that part of the RSS. While there are a lot of wrong things that we all connect with RSS with, but there are a lot of good things also is what he had maintained in his bite that he had said right now. So all those people who are trying to draw conclusion that he's sending fillers to the BJP, that he's trying to shift, he has demolished that by saying that he's a staunch congressman. So there is nothing more to read in it. But if we see it that way, there are a lot of RSS leaders in the Congress party also, and you and I both know about this, Samya.
Absolutely. Wajiullah, thank you for getting us all those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.